Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Gatie here with us, the alligator, and this song is called Strangers Again. So Gatie is no stranger here on this channel. We had him before many times, and if you're a follower, you know about that. And speaking of the following, please subscribe to this channel and you will get great songs as alligators and many other. And you also have the opportunity to wish for songs here on this channel and for me to bring them up for you, specifically for you. All right, guys, so let's take a dive into this one, Strangers Again. All right, so we're gonna set our capo here on the 6th fret, the 6th position. And with that, we have 4 different chords, pretty easy chords that goes round and round through the entire song. We love that. We're gonna look at the finger picking style, but also a very easy strumming pattern for these chords. So let's take a look at the chords. The first one here will be what I believe is called an F sus chord or so. F sus 2 perhaps. Anyway, it looks like this. So that is 3rd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. All right, so that's F. The next chord is the C major 7. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the A minor 7, so very easy transition here from the C to just A minor like this. So you keep the middle finger on the same position from C to the A minor. And it is open A, still 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is the E minor. Okay, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. All right, so that is the chord progression, like I said, through the entire song. So F to C to A minor to E minor. All right, so let's take a look at the finger picking style, and it follows the same patterns, just of course different grips with the chords. So we're gonna start with the F now. You hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play this part for 2 rounds. So you're gonna start with 3rd fret on D string. Then you pick the open G together with 1st B. Then just gently clap on the strings like this. And then you pick the 3 strings together at the same time. 3rd D string, open G, and 1st B together. And then you have a short pause, and then comes the last clap there. That is 1 round. So slowly. Okay, so 2 rounds. All right, moving on to the C now. Like I said, it follows the same pattern. If you wish, you just can hold like this. If you want to, 3rd fret on the A string, it's enough. But I hold the full chord as it is because I want to be ready for the strumming as well. It's not that hard, so I go for the full chord like this, and it sounds like this. Okay, so that is 3rd fret on A string. Then you've picked the open G, open B, and open E together. And then this gentle clap there. And then you're gonna pick all 4 strings together, the 3rd fret A string together with open G, open B, and open E. And short pause, and then comes the gentle clap in the end as well. That is 1 round, so slowly. And 2 rounds is. All right, moving on to the A minor 7. So it sounds. Okay, so that is open A first, and then you're gonna pick the 2nd D together with open G and 1st B. And then the clap. And then you pick all 4 strings together, the open A, 2nd D, open G, and 1st B. Then pause, and then the final clap. So slowly. And 2 rounds is. And then we have the final E minor parts. For the picking, you can just, don't hold anything. You can just go with open strings, and it will sound like this. Okay, I hold the full chord since, like I said, I want to be ready for the strumming that comes pretty soon. So that is open E in the bass. Then you're going to pick the open G and open B together. And then the clap. And then you pick the 3 strings, open E, open B, and open G. Pause and a clap. So 2 rounds. We can take the slow part first. It goes. And standard tempo 2 rounds is. Alright, so that's the melody here. I'm gonna take you through 1 round of this standard tempo, and it goes like this. Skip the last part there. Perhaps I didn't mention, but it's 2 strumming rounds or picking rounds per chord. Speaking now of the strumming, you can mix it up with that, and we're gonna go back to the F chord here to illustrate it. It's a very easy strumming pattern, and it pretty much replicates the picking pattern here, but just with downs and upstrokes. So that will be 1 round, down, up, clap, down, clap. So. Okay, so down, up, clap, down, clap, down, up, clap, down, clap, and switch. And switch A minor. And like this. We can go back to picking now. So and so on. All right, so that pretty much makes it for Alligated's Strangers again. Play a little with it, picking or strumming, and you're set for this song. So good luck with this one, guys, and yeah, play tuned.